for regarding the diploma in investment banking course. So what I felt here is the workspace as well as what we are learning the space. So it's quite good. It provides the exposure to like IT industries or like MNC companies. So etc. Like you can have exposure, like you can have the company experience like from learning here. So the infrastructure is good, and the teachers, they cleared my doubts regarding this course, and then provide deep knowledge like what are the syllabus, what are the opportunities, and what are the salary packages, and which are the companies are looking for the particular course, that is investment in diploma, sorry, investment in investment banking course. So this is my review for the institute. Thank you.